Sabalkar students, my name is Arwa and this video is not on certain topic. I am solving some neat questions for you. So let's do it together without wasting our time. My channel name is Arwa and Physics. A body weighs W Newton at a surface of Earth. Okay. There is a body which weighs W Newton at the surface of the Earth and its weight at a height equal to half the radius of Earth will be. Okay, so let's do it. Question says one body, this is my body, this is my Earth, okay, and this is the center of the Earth, and let's say it is R. And a body weighs, let a person weighs over here at the surface of the Earth W Newton. Okay, the question says its weight at a height equal to half the radius of the Earth. Half the radius of the Earth means from here to here. It will be, let's say, half, and let's say it is W dash Newton. Okay, they want W dash. Okay, what they want its weight at a height equal to half the radius of the Earth will be. So these are your options. Let's solve it. Option will come automatically. Okay, solution is, look, W Newton for W, when weight is W, you know that formula will be Gmm upon R square. Why? Because m is the mass of the Earth, capital mass of the Earth, and this mass, let's say it is small m. And many of the students are thinking, because we used to write it F is equals to Gm by R square. No, students, you remember F is equals to mg. We called it as weight. Weight unit is also Newton. The force unit is also Newton. Okay, so we can replace F by W. Now what will be W dash? W dash is, students, will be equals to Gmm, same person, mass of the Earth, and this weight, and the total distance would be this is R and this is R plus 2, so total distance is R plus R by 2. This is R and this is R by 2, so weight of a person from center of the Earth will be this, the distance will be this. Okay, so what would be the W dash? W dash is equals to Gmm upon 3R divided by 4 whole square, or Gmm upon 3 3s are 9 R square by 4. Or can I write it like this? Can 4 go to if 4 goes to numerator, then it will become nR square. What we have to do now, we just have to divide W dash by W and we'll get the answer, that is Gmm upon R square 9R square 4 Gmm upon 9R square divided by Gmm upon R square. This is R square. Okay, so W dash upon W is equals to 4 Gmm upon 9R square multiplied by R square divided by Gmm. Okay, this to this cancels out, this to this cancels out, your answer will be 4 upon 9. So W dash upon W, or implies W dash is equals to 4 upon 9 W. Let's check out the equation. 4 upon 9, option C is correct. 4 W upon 9. So students, hope you like the video. I have one more numerical for you, but this for next part. Thank you so much. Khuda Hafiz.